There's always been an incredible dance music scene though in Glasgow, hasn't there?
I know, yeah, I can't quite explain it, but it's much stronger than any other city of comparable size. It's a club scene and it's a nightlife thing.
Yeah.
Industrial city, industrial music.
I've got to DJ tomorrow and tell Indigo, Sunny Social on the same bill as Milo. There's no pressure there at all. So I deliberately didn't look at your list.
I don't know what it is about Liverpool really. People just seem to make good music or do it in a certain way that is proper.
But this was it here. Yeah, because we would face it like this.
Your bands would be over there.
Yeah, and the system would be set up here.
Yeah.
It was absolutely amazing.